Right now, all the activity on the radar is out over the water and right along the coastline, and they are very small showers. Most of those are dissipating pretty quickly. We have one right here on the southern part of Cape Hayes. We've watched a few more move over Tamiami Trail and I-75, and you can see the Cape and downtown Fort Myers pretty dry. But as we take a little closer look here near Lovers Key State Park, we had a couple of showers move through the Estero area early this morning. Now we've got a few there at Delnor Wiggins, and as we move to the south, about 4 to 5:15, we had some showers in the Naples and North Naples area, but again, they pulse up and down pretty quickly. And later on today, it's our driest afternoon in the 7-day. Yesterday, we managed to pick up about 3/4 of an inch in Naples, and that takes our surplus up to 9.5 for the year. And just for this month, a very wet month, 7.84, about 9.5 above for Fort Myers. Mentioned that today's the driest day. Part of the reason, a little drier air and also a stronger westerly wind. That's going to allow showers and thunderstorms to develop near Glades and Hendry County, but most of the activity is going to be over on the I-95 corridor, and we'll watch those showers kind of fizzle out near the lake. So once again today, even though the rain chances are lower, they're highest for Lakeport, Buckhead Ridge, Moorhaven, and Clewiston, and we'll talk more about the weekend in just a moment because changes are coming. Boy, is it warm this morning. Low 80s along the coast, 79 in Fort Myers. That's 5 above our average of 74, and you factor in the humidity and the calm winds. It's very humid and very stagnant outside, but later on today, as that wind gusts 10 to 15, that's what's going to drive the rain away from us. However, over the weekend, our weather pattern flips. Tomorrow is going to be very similar to what we've seen the last couple of days, and that is going to allow some showers and storms to develop between Lake Okeechobee and I-75. This is lunchtime tomorrow, and then you can see that wet weather really beginning to take shape. Now, as we head through Saturday, the winds come out of the east, and the showers and thunderstorms are going to start to develop here along the coastline around 3, 4 o'clock, and you can see those bigger thunderstorms hanging out a lot closer to the coastline. In the tropics, we've got a couple of areas we're watching. One of those has a 20% chance low of developing as it gets over to the Bay of Campeche, but most of the attention is going out here in the main development region, an area we typically don't look at this early in the season. And right now, this one has a 70% chance of developing as it rides pretty far south here in the tropics, eventually off there towards the coast of Venezuela and the Windward Islands. Of course, we'll stay on top of it. Next name up on the list is Beryl. 7-day forecast this weekend, sunshine early, thunderstorms late. Temperatures get a little hotter. We should see them up around 92 degrees.